Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Siberia 800. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through transmitter menu. Firstly, you can do it by pressing this button on the headset, and then you can roll like this to select menus and adjust them. Also, you can do it via transmitter itself. Firstly, you can change volume. You can check current connection mode between PC, Xbox and PlayStation. And if you press this button, you'll enter menu. Right here you can go to audio menu. You can manage chat mix, live mix. You can manage equalizer, Dolby, and then you can change source. Right here you'll be able to select between PC, Xbox 360, PS4 and PS3. Then you can go to Profile and Options. In Options you can edit sources, add sources and delete them. Add profiles and delete them. Also you can update and rename profiles. Manage brightness. Change headset overlay. Enable or disable headset beep. Pair new headset and delete them. And many more. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.